Getting a massive boost in light output for your 2004 to 2014 F150 doesn't mean you need to invest a ton of money in off-road lighting systems. All you really need is this LED headlight bulb conversion kit. This kit replaces your F150's weak halogen bulbs with LED bulbs that are capable of producing up to 12,000 raw lumens of brilliant white light. The H13 LED bulbs also produce a 6500 Kelvin color temperature, giving your headlights a clean white output that's far more classy and modern than stock halogens. With your hood open, remove the plastic screw pin from the inner dust cover at the top of the headlight. Behind this cover, we will then have access to the bolt about halfway down the headlight. You can then work your way up top to the last two bolts in the upper headlight mounting bracket. The headlight then pulls straight out of its clips in the truck. Now we have access to the factory bulbs. Twist the headlight bulb counterclockwise to release it from the tabs to remove it from the housing. Then depress the clip and separate the bulb from the connector. The new LED bulb twists into the headlight the same way the stock bulb does. Once it is locked into the headlight, connect and thread together the connection on the back of the bulb to the ballast. Then insert the other end of the ballast into the factory connector of the truck. Now the headlight can be inserted back into the front end into its clips, then the three bolts replaced. Replace the dust cover to finish the install. After driving with these headlight bulbs for more than 500 miles on the highway and city, both on and off-road, we were extremely impressed with the output and quality of these lights. We feel they are a much better option over HIDs because of the fact that there is no warm-up time for the bulbs, and we were never once flashed from an oncoming driver from the brightness of our headlights. Another positive to these lights is that they fit directly into the factory housings, and because of this, there is no moisture or condensation that works its way into the light housing. We rarely even felt the need to use our high beams since the output of the LEDs is so good. If you want to learn more about these lights, click the link in the description below. Also follow us on Facebook and Instagram to keep up to date with our current builds.